व्लॉग। आई होप आपको मेरी बातें अच्छी लगी हों, जो भी मैंने इतनी सारी करी। And now I'll be applying this nude kajal. It actually looks very subtle and gives a very beautiful look. Can you see the difference? Oh my god, I love it. लड़कियां स्पेशली जो मेरी एज की अभी नहीं है, मुझसे छोटी हैं, आई एम टर्निंग 25 इन 9 days. जब मैं छोटी थी तब मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती थी लोगों को नो बोलने में या समझने में. लाइक दिस थिंग जो जिसके साथ मैं इवेंट में जाने वाली थी पहले, मैं उसके लिए विदाउट आस्किंग और विदाउट शोइंग ऑलरेडी चीज़ें अरेंज कर रही थी. But he was taking it for granted, and then I instantly pulled what I was offering. मैं पहले ऐसी नहीं हुआ करती थी. I used to do things for people and who were worthless. Honestly, who were worthless, who were just using me for these things and not actually adding value to my life. अब मैंने वो चीज़ करना बंद कर दिया बिकॉज आई हैव रियलाइज दैट इस टाइप के लोगों के लिए कुछ भी करना actually puts you in a position where you start respecting yourself less and you devalue yourself. So I have actually stopped doing these things, and which makes me feel better, to be honest. I felt better when I showed him that this is what I was doing for you and you couldn't even do anything. Yeah. Why is he asking it like he's entitled to ask for it और मुझे ये करना ही है उसके लिए? It's a choice, right? And I don't want to do anything for anyone anymore when I don't get anything in return. Yes, I've become like this because I have done so much for people. I have been a giver without expecting anything, and that really made me lower my standards in the past. मैं literally manipulate हो गई थी एक दो बार उसकी बातों से. I demand what I can give, and I give before I demand. Give you the most asked questions answer, जो है why am I single? Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a mic. It's looking weird, but manage कर लो. मैं बाहर जा रही हूँ. There's a party happening tonight in London. It's called Presh and it happens worldwide. Dubai, USA, Europe, UK, and I think at many other countries. And I wanted to talk about my experiences as well. आज इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात करते हैं. Let's get started. First up, I'll be using this moisturizer by Dermafique. मैं इसको use कर रही हूँ काफ़ी टाइम से. It's meant for dry skin and ये काफ़ी lightweight है. Plus it gives the hydration and that within glow जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. And I wanted to start with the story जो कि सबसे recent है. In London, मैंने जब से मैं यहाँ आई हूँ, I've never dated, I've never been in a relationship with anyone, and to be honest, I don't want to be. मुझे अपने career पे focus करना है, and I wanna actually grow and build something in my life before I get into all these things. Look at the glow. अच्छा है ना? Recently, मुझे एक event में जाना था, and I had 2 VIP tickets for it. So one of my friend, he asked me if he can come along, and I was like, yeah, अकेले मैं mostly हर जगह. You must have seen that I travel to places by myself. I go to dinners by myself. I go to movies by myself. Even I go to different countries solo. Thing जो मैं नहीं कर सकती, but still I thought, yeah, of course I'd enjoy a company. And then I realized that it's gonna be late at night actually if he's okay to drop me home after the event, because I thought that it's the least I could ask for because मैंने बाकी सब arrangements कर दिए थे. And he was like, yeah, I can if you allow me to rest at your place for a bit. And I was like, what? I mean, is there a condition? Like, I was so disappointed. Firstly, मुझे नहीं पसंद है मैं लोगों को अपने घर invite करूं. And especially if people are putting it as a condition on me. This is primer by ELF. हम आपके लिए ये gesture करेंगे जब in return we'll get this. He's, trying to get the opportunity to get closer to me in a private sort of setting, which I didn't really want. So I didn't reply to him, And then he kept messaging me ki, tell me if we are going so that I can plan my next day accordingly. And I was like, I didn't expect you to put conditions, and I thought you were gentleman enough to offer this as a gesture instead of putting condition on it. But yeah, that's fine. I'll find my own way back, and let's see how I feel closer to the time. Don't mind it. I just said it because I don't drive usually, and मुझे आपके घर आने में 1 hour लगेगा, then वहाँ से अपने घर जाने में 1 more hour, तो 2 hours हो जाएंगे. So, that's the only reason why I said it. And I was like, just leave it, never mind. Anyway, this is my Forever 52 color correcting palette, and I haven't been using foundations on my face lately. Today I will, but I don't. Just correct my face using this. Apply a blush, which I'll show you which one, and lip gloss, lip balm, lip color, anything, and eyeliner with mascara, and I'm good to go. This is what I've been doing. इसके लिए मैं एक separate vlog बना सकती हूँ if you're interested. So I'll be mixing 2 shades. It doesn't really matter, मैं कोई सा भी shade लगा सकती हूँ. But anyway, so next day morning, he texted me again. Look at how it conceals my face. Next day morning, he texted me again saying, Uncle, are we going? I said, you know what? These are the link to book the tickets. You can book it through the app because I'm not sure if I'll be going. But if I go, I'll see you inside, okay? I think that's the most simple thing and politest thing I could have said to him, because I was reconsidering going to the event with him. उसके साथ क्यों जाऊँ when he can't even consider that I'm going out with him. And if we are coming back home late, it's his responsibility कि मैं घर safely पहुँचूँ. And instead, he is making excuses, and he's like, place is close to mine, so I wasn't even thinking to go by car. I would have actually taken a train, but since you said this, I was considering. So, I mean, you are not paying for anything else. I've arranged everything for you, and this is the thing which you should have offered from your end yourself, and I shouldn't have actually asked for it. But even if I did, you are telling me all these things, which is, which really upsets me, and it's too below my standard. I have standards because I demand what I can give, and I give before I demand. I hope you know what I mean. He was like, oh, how much do I have to pay? I told him, check the link. Everything is there. And there were different sorts of tickets. So mine was the most expensive one, jo mere paas the. It was stage ticket. So it was around £84 per person. So he was like, it's £84. I said, yes. Then he told me, oh, but earlier you said that you have 2 tickets. Now you're asking me to pay. And it really made me think that he's showing his true colors to me. I mean, क्या ये उसका हक है? Why is he asking it like he's entitled to ask for it और मुझे ये करना ही है उसके लिए? It's a choice, right? And I don't want to do anything for anyone anymore because I have done so much for people. I have been a giver without expecting anything, and that really made me lower my standards in the past. I was just watching a video of Lizard Wiz, and trust me, I must have seen a few of her videos in the past, but I don't actually follow her. But today I saw a video of hers where she was showing 2 glasses. One was completely filled and one was empty. जो glass filled था, she poured the filled one into the empty a little bit. Still, ये glass आधा था. But then she emptied the glass jo full tha into the glass which was empty earlier, and this becomes empty now. So this is you. You hit a downhill when you're not focusing on yourself and doing things for others. This is what I have learned for myself, and I could actually relate to that video when I saw it today, and I think I did the right thing. This guy didn't deserve to be around me. That's one thing. Secondly, I went out with the person. He was kind of working in a media company, and because I was thinking to do something in the same field and I do have my own media company, I was thinking it'll be nice if we catch up. So we went out, and the moment I met him, he told me, should I consider it a date or a fan fest? He's been following me on social media for quite some time. And I didn't reply to him like this. And then for a whole 2 hours, he kept talking about what I look for in a relationship, what he looks for in a relationship. वो मुझसे सिर्फ यही questions पूछे जा रहा था कि what do I expect in a relationship, what do I want, what kind of future do I look at. It's good, like एक लिमिट तक ठीक है, it's good कि आप एक दूसरे से communicate कर रहे हो, but it became too serious and too persuading till a point that वो 2 hours non-stop बस मुझे convince करने की कोशिश कर रहा था कि मैं उसे date start कर दूँ, उसके साथ relationship में आ जाऊँ, even उसके साथ future तक plan कर लूँ in the first date. Firstly, एक दो बारी मुझे ऐसा लगा कि oh my god, am I doing something wrong to myself? Is this really the right person sitting next to me? Then I just realized कि अगर कोई मुझसे पहली बार मिल रहा है, how he doesn't even know what do I like to eat, how do I think, and he's so sure that he wants to be in a relationship with me and build a future with me. That can't be true. Let's be serious, okay? He was forcing me to come into a relationship with him. Okay, let's pause this communication for a bit so that I don't get late for the event. And मैं इसके बारे में आपको साथ साथ बताती रहूँगी because it's distracting me so much. So I'll use the green one to cover the dark spots, even though my skin, touch wood, my skin has been really good these days. Maybe because of the cold weather that I live in. आज by the way UK में काफ़ी गर्मी थी. It was only 23 degrees and felt like, you know, it's too hot and how will I survive this and all. Because यहाँ पे fans, ACs कुछ नहीं होता है. That's also one thing. तो ज़्यादा suffocation हो जाती है comparative to India जहाँ आप actually AC तो on कर सकते हो. वो बात अलग है कि वो work नहीं करता इतनी गर्मी में. Now that I have applied this green concealer, I'll go in with the foundation. This is the Charlotte Tilbury foundation which I've been using and it's really nice. I do have Chanel foundation, but it doesn't go with my shade. And for today, I'll be applying my foundation with my fingers because I'm just taking this amount. मुझे ज़्यादा foundation लगाना अब पसंद नहीं है. Maybe that's one reason why मेरी skin थोड़ी better हो गई है. Can breathe and heal itself and pores भी clog नहीं होते हैं. मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती वो मुझे किस तरह से manipulate करने की कोशिश कर रहा था. Like all this time, even when I was trying to ignore him and his stupid questions, he kept forcing me to tell him about my past experiences, kept telling me about how he also has been into similar situations where he stopped trusting people and he's been hurt as well, so I can trust him and all that. साफ पता चल रहा था, you know, he's having an agenda and he just wants to get a chance to date me and come close to me. And these kind of people, mostly it doesn't matter how obsessed they are with you in the beginning, but they will betray you eventually, because once they get what they want, they wouldn't have anything to do with you. So I never want to be with people who see me just from the outside and doesn't see me for who I am from the inside. Okay, anyway, जब ये 2 घंटे खत्म हुए and it was time for me to come back home, I booked a cab for myself. And what he could have done is he could have literally gone back to his place. But instead, he said, I'll come drop you. And then he sat in the same cab which I booked. And he came with me downstairs till my place. And as soon as we reached here, मैंने उसको बोल दिया कि now you can book your cab and I'll wait till your cab comes. And he was like, yeah, I will, don't worry. Okay. Then I said, no, it's too late. I want to go back up and I want to sleep. Yeah, don't worry, मैं इज्जत से ही वापस जाऊंगा. You know, don't worry about it. I told him, yes, I know कि चले जाओगे वापस, but I want to go up. So I just want to make sure that कि cab जल्दी आ जाए so that I don't have to wait that much. And 5 minutes हो गए, he's using his phone and then closing screen. And then I ask him again, are you booking a cab? He's like, yeah, I am. It's gonna arrive in 5 minutes. I said, okay. He tells me, okay, Twinkle, I don't want to be forceful and I don't want to put you on the spot, but I want to ask, can I kiss you? And I said, what? No. He said, no, no, on the forehead. I said, no. And I see that area mein homeless log ghum rahe the. I told him, let's go inside the lobby and we wait inside. चलने लगे. So he said, इतनी जल्दी नो क्यों बोला? ये सोच के बैठे थे क्या? I was like, I didn't know that you're gonna ask this question to me. So सोच के कैसे बैठूंगी? But yeah, this was my natural reaction. Then he said, I wasn't even thinking of anything else. I wanted to do it on forehead only. Don't take it otherwise. I said, if that was the case, why didn't you put it in the sentence? You know, even though मैं तब भी नहीं बोलती, but if that was the case, why didn't you tell it to me in the first place? He said, you know how much guts it takes for a guy to ask these questions, and trust me guys, from everything I could actually see that he actually wanted to come to my place. That was the whole reason why he came to drop me, because he wanted a chance. That out of respect or kindness, I asked him to come over and wait for the cab. उसके दिमाग में चल रहा था, और ये चीज़ मुझे समझ अगले दिन आई. Sorry, this is the concealer that I absolutely love. I have 3 shades in this, but this is the perfect match. It's called 314 beige. So आप इसकी condition भी देख सकते हो कितना overused है. Next day what happens is I receive flowers, जो vlog आपने already देख ही लिया है. I think कि ये कौन भेज सकता है मुझे. Then just मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe he came till downstairs so he know my postcode. Maybe वो हो सकता है कि उसने भेजा हो, and also वो बातें ऐसी कर रहा था पूरे टाइम, एंड उसकी कैब उस टाइम आ गई थी, ये कॉन्वर्जेशन जब हमारी हुई, एंड वो चला गया. मैं पूछ लेती हूँ एक बार. सो आई टेक्स्टेड हिम, डिड यू डू समथिंग? ही वाज लाइक, what? He said, can I call you? I said, yeah. I thought maybe on call he'll tell this to me. Picked up the call and he said, what happened? I told him that I received flowers at my place and I just thought that you came to my place yesterday. Maybe aapne bheja ho. No, why would I? I was like, what? Then he said, no, मुझे पहले ground तो दो. मैं छक्का ऐसे ही हवा में थोड़ी मारूंगा. मुझे वो ground दो, फिर छक्का मारूंगा. I was like, no, I'm not asking you to do it. I'm just confirming if you've done it. He said, oh, so किसी ने आपको flowers भेजे और आपको लगा मैंने भेजे हैं. So I hope future में भी ऐसा ही रहे. मैं भी credit ले रहे हो कि future में भी he hopes कि ऐसा रहे. And ये बकवास बातें तो मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है. मैंने शायरी बोली कि जो इतना सुंदर है उसे flowers की क्या ज़रूरत. And that is so disrespectful. I've said it already कि फ्लावर्स के बारे में कोई ऐसा बोले वो मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. दिस इज माय मेकअप फिक्सर फ्रॉम अर्बन डिके. आई लव इट सो मच. Best thing you can invest in, and there are many more actually. Second would be Pixie blush. It's in the shade Ruby, which is just perfect for my skin tone. इसको मैं थोड़ा सा लगाती हूँ and it gives me that perfect shiny blush इफ़ेक्ट. और इसके बाद मुझे लिटरली ना ही कॉन्टोर लगाने की, ना ही हाइलाइटर लगाने की, कुछ भी लगाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है. आई एम अप्लाइंग इट थोड़ा ज़्यादा आज, बिकॉज आज इसकी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. यू नो, देन उस लड़के से मैंने उसके बाद बात नहीं करी एंड आई इवेंचुअली ब्लॉक्ड हिम, बिकॉज वो इतना कोई कन्विंसिंग मैनिपुलेटिव फर्स्ट मीटिंग में ही ऐसी वैसी बातें कर रहा है कि यू नो ही सो श्योर अबाउट मी. भाई तुम मुझे जानते भी नहीं हो, एंड चलो इतना भी नहीं, तुम मेरे पीछे क्यों पड़ गए हो हाथ पैर धो के कि मैं तुम्हें सब कुछ बता दूं अपनी ज़िंदगी के बारे में. नो, I have trust issues, and secondly you have to earn that. अगर आपको ऑलरेडी इतना बड़ा चांस मिल गया है कि आप मुझसे मिल पा रहे हो, तो वो ही एक ग्राउंड है. एटलीस्ट जस्ट अर्न दैट ट्रस्ट फर्स्ट. आप मुझसे आज मिल रहे हो, आज ही हम शादी कर लें. सॉरी. सो ये अभी की 2 स्टोरीज हैं जो रिसेंट हुई हैं, लाइक विद इन लास्ट वीक मेरे साथ. आई डोंट मीट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, आई डोंट टॉक टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, बट जो लोग मुझे मिलते हैं लाइफ में वो इस टाइप की हरकतें करते हैं. तो मेरा मन ही नहीं करता है कि मैं अपने करियर के अलावा किसी और चीज़ पे फोकस करूँ. Just doing my eye makeup now and I am applying this this glitter which you can't see of course. So I'm applying this glitter over my eyes. And आप ही लोग मुझे बताओ कमेंट सेक्शन में कि क्या मैंने सही किया या मैंने गलत किया। आप लोगों को क्या लगता है? या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे अपने स्टैंडर्ड्स थोड़े लो कर लेने चाहिए, विच इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, मैं पहले ही बता दूँ। बट ये सुन के आपको क्या फ़ील हुआ ये मुझे ज़रूर बताना, बिकॉज़ आई कंसिडर यू अ पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ एंड आई वांट टू शेयर दीज थिंग्स विद यू सो दैट यू नो आप भी मुझे एडवाइस कर पाओ। नाउ eyeliner, and this is the best part because मुझसे हर कोई ये पूछता है आप eyeliner कैसे लगाते हो। So let me show you how. I first create one line on the outside. Okay, that's done. Now, time for second. Now, I drag it inside. Like from the corner, I do this. My mascara. It's time for me to do my mascara, and this will make a huge difference. और लास्ट अब हम लगाएंगे लिप कलर विच इज़ बॉबी ब्राउन बिकॉज ये हर चीज़ के साथ चला जाता है एंड या दैट्स ऑल। That's it. I am ready. I'll change the dress and show you the final look before heading out. This is the outfit which I am going to be wearing. Yeah. Guys, this is it for this vlog. And this is the dress which I was thinking to wear on my birthday. I'm not thinking it anymore because थोड़ा इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा मुझे।